Today I want to share with you some thoughts I've had about nature. Nature is always there for us. It's always right here. It has the best lessons I've ever learned. I was looking at the trees and looking how these little tiny leaves are starting to grow and to emerge, and it made me think, yeah, that's right. After a while it'll be summer, and then it'll be fall, and then all the seasons are gonna happen, and everything is gonna pass, and there's nothing to be waiting around for because it's already all here. You might be looking forward to something and being excited about something that's gonna happen, but truly it's really important to realize that it's already all here and right now. And it won't be better later. You can make it better now by being present and breathing. All you have is right now. And being in nature will always help. And even if you don't have nature, you have yourself, and you're a part of nature. There's always something in nature that will help you remember, help you realize again and again that your true nature is right now, in this moment, moment to moment awareness. And the only thing that ever exists is only right now. Whatever you have right now, that's all you got. So my advice is to be present with it and take it in, let it in. Don't try to control it. Don't try to occupy yourself until something better comes, because everything that comes will have their challenges and their good sides and their bad sides. So you might as well enjoy what you have right now, because you never know what's going to happen later. Everything is so precious. Every moment. Be grateful for everything you have. For the wind, for the sounds, for the mountains, for the sun, for yourself. And with that gratitude, you can really begin to change. You can slowly begin to have a happier life always, and be present and love every moment of your life. That's all I had to say and share for right now. And I would love to hear your comments, and also to hear your questions. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, you'll be hearing more of this, along with all the other things that make my life a pure paradise. Thanks for watching.